OpenAI has steered the technology world in recent months. With the launch of the ChatGPT tool, this tool can understand natural language to process requests and return the desired results. Despite ChatGPT has certain limitations, we are unable to deny the results that it brings to us. Have you heard a lot and talked a lot about the ChatGPT already? In this video, I want to show you how to integrate ChatGPT API into a simple web application for our needs. Before starting, there are a few requirements as following. Need basic technical skills in HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and jQuery. Need development tools, just Visual Studio Code are not bad. Need a ChatGPT account, and then go to beta.openai.com for sign up to create an API key. First, you create a basic HTML web page with text. Call the Bootstrap library to create a beautiful interface. The web interface is simple, consisting of 3 controls, 2 text boxes with question and answer, and also having a send button to send the request. Below, you need to enter the API key. This is the function to send a request to the ChatGPT API, including the request to be sent from the question text box, and the response from the ChatGPT API will be displayed in the answer text box. How to send the request? Then we have the send button to call the generate completion function. When click the send button, the request will be sent and then receive the result. Okay, the interface after scripting will look like this. By click the send button, you will see the result returned from the ChatGPT API. If you want to be return more characters, you need to change the max token parameter value. Please note that each request sending to the ChatGPT API requires a certain amount of money charging to your account based on the number of characters max tokens returned. And you also see that the next request has a slightly different response because ChatGPT collects data from different sources. However, the result still correctly responds the user's request, which is Elon Musk is the CEO of Tesla. I hope you can enjoy this video. Goodbye and see you in the next video.